back with another video finally of our ground chicken meatballs. See, we have our onion, we have our garlic, we have our different assortment of bell pepper. We have that ground chicken over there. And the camera's panning to our bunch of parsley. We're gonna get that parsley chopped up in just a bit, along with our bell pepper. My aunt texted me like a month or maybe a month or two ago and said, "Yo, it's been a long time since you made a video. You need to get to work before I come up there and slap you." So that's what we're doing. We getting to work as we get our beef broth poured into that crock pot with our single stick of butter. We're gonna have our whole can of cream and mushroom to that. We're making a gravy right now for these meatballs as I let some of that steam out of that crock pot. Giving it a whisk there. You know, if you have that thin layer of film on top of your gravy or your soup, you know, oh God, you know it's some good stuff going on. And this is just about all the pepper you want. You want about, I think I have about 3 cloves of garlic right there, and I have our rings of onion. We're gonna get that skillet preheat to set on 2. Relatively low temp, but hot enough to get things sizzling while you get your meatballs ready. I have steak seasoning, onion garlic blend, salt and pepper blend right there. We have our parsley all chopped up. And we are about to incorporate that into our meat. We do so. And afterwards we start the seasoning process with our peppercorn, pepper and salt blend right here. Such a good mixture, by the way. And we have our garlic and onion spice blend right here. Adding our dimensions, adding our flavor profile. And we have that steak seasoning right here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, seasoned ground chicken with steak seasoning. Absolutely. I don't see why not. And we have our violet salt right here. It's not as salty as just, regular salt, much like pink Himalayan salt. And we're gonna crack 2 eggs right here into our mixing bowl. It's a dirty job, if you got your gloves ready. If you want to use gloves, go ahead and pop them on because it's about to get dirty. It's about to get real dirty as we cover our flour onto. Love this cutting board. It's wide, so wide. It almost covers both sides of my sink. Absolutely love it. I have to apologize if I sound a bit congested. Fall is here. Fall is in full swing. I love fall. Fall, I don't think loves me back. This is our test meatball. You don't have to have it this big or this small. Depending on how you like your meatballs, you can do it whatever dimension you want to. As we will get that sizzling in that pan, a low temp was able to do this. So any higher, of course, you will have more browning on it than that. Actually, after it cooled, it lightened up. You can see, I did not flip that. And of course, because our oil was already darkened, that's why the meatballs have had a slightly darker coating on it. You just want to sizzle it and pan sear it around that skillet just enough to for it to get that coating on it from the flour. Because you want your meatballs to be solid going into that gravy. Man, these meatballs smell so good. Yo, they even taste better after you refrigerated them. It's crazy. We get all these meatballs dumped in here. Yo, they just taste so good. Smell good. Look at it. Yeah, truly, I say unto you, these meatballs are good. And they taste good even after being refrigerated. I came home and grabbed one the next day after I refrigerated it. Oh, what's going on here? I'm taking some of that gravy and I'm putting it in some more ground chicken in the skillet. Could another recipe be on the way? Stay tuned.
Get you some Orange Mountain Grill.